The Lamborghini Temerario 2026 is the latest masterpiece from Santa Agata Bolognese, redefining the supercar experience with a perfect blend of aggressive design, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and unmistakable Italian flair. The first thing that grabs your attention is its bold and dramatic front fascia, with sharp aerodynamic lines that seem to cut through the air even when standing still. The Blu Azzurro color on the Temerario perfectly highlights every sculpted curve, giving it a futuristic yet elegant presence that makes heads turn instantly in any showroom or on the road. Lamborghini has taken the Huracan's legacy and transformed it into something truly next level with the Temerario, combining lightweight construction with hybrid power to achieve mind-blowing performance. Under the hood, this machine houses a twin-turbocharged V8 paired with an electric motor setup, producing an astounding total of over 900 horsepower. This allows the Temerario to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just under 2.8 seconds, reaching a top speed that competes with the fastest hypercars in the world. What makes the 2026 Temerario even more exciting is its hybrid system, which not only boosts performance, but also enhances driving dynamics by delivering instant torque to the rear wheels. Lamborghini has always been about driver engagement, and with the Temerario, they've elevated it even further. The car's all-wheel drive system, combined with rear-wheel steering, provides extraordinary cornering stability while maintaining that thrilling supercar feeling that fans have come to love. On the exterior, Lamborghini has pushed the design envelope. Every angle of the car, from the front aggressive splitter to the rear diffuser and hexagonal exhaust outlets, screams performance and precision. The Blu Azzurro paint perfectly complements the carbon fiber accents and low stance of the car, reflecting light in a way that emphasizes its dynamic shapes. Moving to the side profile, the sculpted side skirts, prominent air intakes, and sleek silhouette highlight Lamborghini's mastery of aerodynamics, ensuring that every curve has both form and function. Large, lightweight alloy wheels fill the wheel arches, and the Brembo carbon ceramic brakes are visible behind them, hinting at the car's immense stopping power. The interior of the Temerario is nothing short of spectacular. Lamborghini combines luxury and technology seamlessly, offering premium Alcantara and leather surfaces with contrast stitching, carbon fiber elements, and a futuristic digital cockpit. The flat-bottom steering wheel is adorned with drive mode selectors, allowing drivers to switch between comfort, sport, and track settings instantly. The fully digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the large central touchscreen integrates infotainment, navigation, and hybrid system controls in a user-friendly interface. Ambient LED lighting sets the perfect mood, making the cabin feel both sporty and luxurious. Lamborghini has also focused on ergonomics, ensuring that the seats provide perfect support during aggressive driving while maintaining comfort for longer journeys. Technology meets artistry in the attention to detail throughout the interior, from the precision stitching to the quality of the materials used in every touchpoint. On the road, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario delivers an unforgettable experience. The hybrid system provides immediate throttle response, while the engine's sound engineering ensures the unmistakable Lamborghini roar resonates perfectly without being overwhelming. Cornering feels precise and planted thanks to the advanced suspension system, and high-speed stability is incredible, making drivers feel in full control even at extreme speeds. The combination of power, aerodynamics, and technology makes the Temerario not only one of the fastest cars in its class, but also one of the most exhilarating to drive. The 360-degree visibility and aerodynamics also enhance performance, ensuring that the car remains balanced and responsive in all driving conditions. Lamborghini has also paid attention to sustainability without compromising performance. The hybrid system reduces emissions during city driving and contributes to energy recovery during braking, demonstrating that even hypercars can evolve toward a greener future. For those looking to customize, Lamborghini offers a range of options for the Temerario, from bespoke interior trims to exclusive color combinations, including other metallic and matte finishes. Owners can tailor their car to reflect their personal style. Accessories like lightweight forged wheels, aerodynamic kits, and carbon fiber details are also available, making each Temerario truly unique. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is not just a car, it's a statement of engineering excellence, style, and performance. Its presence commands attention, whether parked in a luxury showroom, cruising through city streets, or tearing up a racetrack. Every detail, from the Blu Azzurro paint to the meticulously crafted interior, embodies Lamborghini's philosophy of combining artistry and performance. Owning a Temerario is not just about speed, it's about experiencing automotive passion at the highest level. For enthusiasts, this car represents the pinnacle of what a modern supercar can achieve. Breathtaking performance, cutting-edge hybrid technology, jaw-dropping design, and unmatched driver engagement. If you're seeking a vehicle that pushes boundaries and delivers a driving experience unlike any other, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario in Blu Azzurro is unquestionably a top contender in the supercar world. Its combination of aesthetics, engineering, and sheer exhilaration makes it a car that will be remembered as one of Lamborghini's iconic models of the decade. From the moment you lay eyes on its aggressive front end to the last look at its sculpted rear, the Temerario embodies the spirit of innovation, speed, and Italian luxury.